come and visit to see all of us.
Hello? Can you be the host?
I be the host.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, how are you doing today? We are at Carnival Magic. We are gonna have a nation parade later at 8:30. So if you're anywhere nearby, please come and visit to see all of us.
And how about the welcome show in the first?
Oh my god, it was so fun. The energy was there. Everyone was dancing. Everyone was yelling. It was super fun. Everything was so colorful. It feels like, in the Philippines, you have this thing called fiestas.
Fiesta?
Yes, and almost every barrio, every barangay celebrates it, and it feels just like that.
Right there, sir.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, it's very big here.
Yeah. Hi, Suniha.
Let's see.
Wow, beautiful. I think you should show them everything.
Wow, everyone.
It's so cool.
So right now, all the girls in here.
Mm-hmm. So all the girls, I think, I'm part of the first group. So everyone's still gonna come. I think we're gonna have dinner first.
Here.
Yeah, dinner first.
Wow.
And then we're gonna do some of the activities. But wow, everything is just so colorful. And so
Jamboree.
fun. Jamboree. What is Jamboree?
I don't
Do
know.
you know what Jamboree is?
This is my first time too.
Also,
Yeah.
yes. It's so nice, right?
Yeah, it's so
Yeah, it's so beautiful. So colorful.
beautiful.
Look.
Yeah. Look.
Hi. Wow. Hi. Hello. Wow, this feels like it. If you're a kid, this is paradise. Like all the colors, all the sounds.
If you were young, it's gonna be so funny.
It's already fun, and
Yeah.
I'm not that young. Hi, Suniha.
Okay, so
Look at everything.
okay, so we are inside here. Okay, wow. It's so good. This is inside here. We have the palette here, everyone. So, can you tell all the fans here to waiting for the main live stream because we have
Oh, we have a main
yeah.
live stream. Hello everyone, we are doing our magic parade later at 8:30.
So inyo pong napanood itong pasample na hosting ni Atisa Manalo dito sa Miss Universe 2025. Dahil ngayon mga kapolitika is na-assign po itong si Atisa bilang host sa kanilang pagpunta dito sa Carnival dahil ngayon ay day 9 na po ng Miss Universe 2025 at magbibigay po tayo ng wrap up dito sa mga activities ni Atisa at mga samot-saring update dito sa Miss Universe. So inyong napanood mga kapolitika itong pag-host ni Atisa dahil ngayon ay naka-assign po siya na maging host dito sa kanilang pagpasyal sa napakalaking carnival. So nakita nyo na happy rin at tuwang-tuwa yung mga contestants, yung mga delegates kanina doon sa labas ng building and then pumasok rin po sila dito sa loob para mag-enjoy at maglaro doon sa mga iba't ibang activities or play or game dito sa loob ng theater. So base dito sa ating observation mga kapolitika ay talagang nakakatuwa itong si Atisa dahil makikita natin na ginagawa niya yung pinaka the best niya. Hindi siya pressured, hindi siya kinakabahan kundi very natural yung pag-hosting ni Atisa dito at ini-interview niya rin yung iba't ibang mga candidate kasi nga dito sa pa-live ng Miss Universe Thailand sa kanilang page ay ina-assign nila, talagang sinusubukan nila yung talento ng bawat isa kung marunong ba, andun ba yung confidence, andun ba yung talent, andun ba yung skills at yung tinatawag na abilidad. So masasabi rin natin na itong si Atisa ay isang flexible dito sa kanyang competition sa Miss Universe, kasi pwede rin siyang hosting mga kapolitika, at the same time pwede rin siyang model, pwede rin siyang kahit ano na kayang gawin ni Atisa dito sa Miss Universe. So ginagawa niya yung best niya para ma-represent niya ng maayos ang ating bansa. So positibo yung ating mga nakikita at nababasang mga komento at mga feedback dito sa pag-host ni Atisa, although merong mga nagko-comment dito sa kanyang boses, pero wala na po tayong magagawa dyan dahil yan ang inborn, yan ang natural na boses ni Atisa, at ginagawa niya yung lahat ng kanyang mga kaya para mapaganda ang kanyang kompetisyon dito nga sa edisyon ng Miss Universe 2025. So walang kaba mga kapolitika at very confident itong si Atisa sa pag-host, at talagang hindi siya napagod, hindi siya naubusan ng energy dito sa mga araw-araw na pa-activities ng Miss Universe. At yung nakikita ko yung kanyang strategy is kaya niyang laruin itong kompetisyon na kung saan ay naayon doon sa standard, sa criteria at quality ng pagiging Miss Universe. Okay, so yun ang aking maging reaksyon at maging comment dito sa mga overall na mga kaganapan ni Atisa ngayong araw at even in the past few days. Samantala mga kapolitika, update po pala tayo dito sa nagaganap na botohan sa Miss Universe. Ay kasalukuyang nasa top 1 po itong si Atisa na merong 20,377 votes para sa Miss Photogenic. Pangalawa dito itong pambato ng Mexico na si Fatima Fernandez, at yung naman pangatlo is itong si Costa Rica. So medyo dikit yung laban nila mga kapolitika ng pangalawa, which is itong si Miss Mexico na si Fatima Bush Fernandez, dahil nga umani siya ngayon ng mga sympathy doon sa kanyang Latin community at sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, kung kaya medyo marami rin yung bumoboto sa kanya. Pero lamang pa rin si Atisa ng 3,000, so medyo manipis lang yung kanilang difference. Sabi dito ng pageant aficionado, our Queen Maria Atisa Manalo is currently number 1 in the Miss Photogenic Special Award of Miss Universe. To make sure she stays in the lead, download the Miss Universe app, sign up and cast your vote for the Philippines. Every vote counts, and together we can show the world why Atisa deserves this recognition. Let's rally behind our Queen and make history. So ito yung sabi ng pageant aficionado. At dito naman po sa People's Choice Award is nasa pangatlong pwesto po itong si Atisa Manalo, at medyo malaki po yung kalamangan ng number 1 na si Vietnam. So nasa 64,000 yung boto ni Vietnam. Yung pangalawa is itong si Chile na merong 57,000 plus, at itong si Atisa na nasa 50,395 votes. So nasa almost 15,000 yung kailangan na habulin ni Atisa dito sa top 1, which is itong si Vietnam nga. Pero kayang-kayan mga kapolitika, basta magbayanihan lang po, at kinakailangan maging aware lahat ng mga supporters ni Atisa na kinakailangan po natin mag-download ng Miss Universe app para bumoto doon sa kanilang platform. Samantala, meron po palang update kasi sinabi natin 'di ba na baka itong si Atisa, although hindi natin kinonfirm kasi wala naman doon yung pangalan niya sa Google, at na-mention natin yung 4 or 5 na confirmed na upo bilang selection committee dito sa Miss Universe 2025, pero hindi natin na-confirm itong si Catriona Gray kasi base doon sa artificial intelligence ay hindi lumalabas yung pangalan ni Catriona Gray bilang kumpirmado na hurado ng Miss Universe 2025. So 4 or 5 lang yung nabanggit natin mga kapolitika ng mga foreign names doon sa mga confirmed selection committee ng MU 2025. Dahil ngayon is meron pong balita tayo dito na atin itong si Catriona Gray dito sa Miss Sultan Kudarat 2025. So sabi dito rin ng ng Pageant Avenue, hala, grabe pang malakasan Miss Universe World Grand International. Meet the hosts of Miss Sultan Kudarat 2025. The grandest celebration of beauty, grace, and empowerment shines even brighter as 3 phenomenal queens unite in one stage to host the Miss Sultan Kudarat 2025 Pageant Finals, Catriona Gray, Miss Universe 2018, Upal Suchata, Miss World 2025, and CJ Opiaza, Miss Grand International 2024. Witness, elegance, confidence, and charisma converge as they lead the most anticipated coronation night of the year. So, grabe ang pasabog mga kapolitika nitong para sa Miss Sultan Kudarat 2025 dahil tatlong beauty queen yung na mga title holder ang magsanib puwersa para maging host ng kanilang pa-contest. So, medyo mahal siguro itong mga talent fee nila. And then, di ba dati merong nag-call out dito sa pag-hire ng mga malaking stars or ng mga bigating mga title holder sa pag-hire nila sa kailang probinsya, whereas yung probinsya nila is yung mga constituents nila is mga naghihirap. So na-call out ito dati na wag daw unahin daw muna yung lugar nila ng especially yung mga tao pagbibigay ng mga tulong, public service at yung social services kung tawagin kaysa mag-hire dito ng mga bigating stars na alam natin ang mamahal ng mga talent fee nila. So hopefully lang is hindi rin pinapabayaan ng mga politiko yung kailang lugar para naman hindi maging kawawa yung mga tao sa kailang nasasakupan. So marami ang mga nalungkot at medyo na-disappoint nga dito na hindi na invited itong si Catriona. Base doon sa kanyang interview is hindi daw invited itong si Catriona dito sa Miss Universe 2025 sa Thailand. So sabi nila is parang miss daw ito dito kay Catriona kasi dito siya kinurunahan noong 2018. And then ngayon is bumalik sa Thailand yung host country and then wala si Catriona doon. So marami ang manalulungkot at medyo nasasad nga dito sa balitang ito na parang hindi daw imbitado itong si Catriona sa mga activities at sa mga event, most especially doon sa finals kasi regularly naman is kinukuha siya noon ni Jack Rautatip bilang commentary host. Pero dahil wala na nga itong si Jack Rautatip, so siguro yun ang reason ng mga changes dito sa Miss Universe edition ng 2025. So sa sinasabi natin is wala nang dapat pang patunay itong si Catriona Gray kasi kahit wala ang kanyang mga commitment dito sa Miss Universe, marami na pa namang projects itong si Catriona at hindi siya naubusan. Very busy ang mga schedule ng ating Miss Universe 2018 na si Catriona Gray. So far mga kapolitika, yun po ang ating mga update, ating mga sariwang kaganapan dito pa rin sa mundo ng beauty contest, most especially yung update natin dito kay Atisa Manalo at yung balita na walang participation itong si Catriona Gray dito sa Miss Universe 2025. So ano po ang inyong magreaksyon dito sa hosting skills ni Atisa Manalo at ano po ang inyong masasabi dito sa balita na hindi di umano invited itong si Catriona dito sa Miss Universe 2025 edition. Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At narito po ang mga kaganapan ni Atisa Manalo bilang host dito sa Carnival Show kanina, November 9, 2025.
Let's go! Let's find another game to do. Ooh, I like this one. Hi! Sawadika! Okay. Okay. Finger.
This
Five rings.
this is the ring toss. Ring queens. Oh wow. Wow. I won!
No, I need how many? Binibigyan niya lang ako.
You want more? One?
Okay, that was very bad. That is not an indication of my athletic powers or anything, guys.
Other girls, yeah?
Yeah, let's see.
Next game. You can.
What?
How many games?
I played 3 games. Yeah. Oh. Okay, it's Miss Belgium and Miss Netherlands. Oh, they won. What did you win?
Natalie did everything correct. She put all the balls in.
Wow.
So she's winning a big.
That's cool. It's Miss Netherlands. I'll try again. I will try.
Okay, let's go. Okay, she wanna try some of you guys. Okay, go!
I'm not good with balls.
Zero!
Wow. Okay, that's fine. Thank you. Thank you for telling me that I lost that game. Okay, let us find. Oh, what is this?
Snake in a can.
What is it?
One game have three have not a snake house. Until the snake house.
Oh. So a snake has to appear? Or I have to... Okay. Let me go get...
Ano may gagawin mo yata?
Okay. No! No! Oh, I'm sorry.
Manalo?
Hindi, bakya. Ay, wala na. Okay, we're out here again. I don't know where everyone is. What is this one? Ooh. Really? Let's try this. It's not like I have any image to protect anymore. Everyone saw how bad I was at the games. No. Okay. Okay, I think they're having Uy, bakit? Bakit? Bakit MJ?
The violet. Okay,
Ready? Yeah?
ready?
She busy. That's okay. Maybe I
Okay,
want
take
some
it
water.
Can you drop here? Okay. Wow. As a pro.
May props pa. Akala mo ang galing.
Okay.
Do we need to- Do we need to hit the person or not hit the person?
One game fight us.
Okay.
Around.
Around. Okay.
Four different color.
4 different color. Okay.
Try.
Okay.
Different color. Big try.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Hi.
Let's go.
Not the girl.
Yeah, around.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I just hit the girl.
Yeah.
Okay, that's yellow. Oh my Sorry, now she's blind. Oh, yellow again. No. Oh, 2 colors only. 2 colors. No. Sorry, guys. Please keep rooting for me until I win. Ay. Habang ka.
Thank you so much. Okay, I will show you guys about mini activity here. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, you guys, you want to see a queen? You can comment below. I will show you. Let's see. Okay, comment below, everyone. Wow, many girls here. Yeah. Okay, so let's see this game. Oh, this is the sitting. Oh, you won a lot.
I want, but this one is big. I love Fluffy.
Oh, Nemo. Ah, how many games you